Friends, you must have eaten pizza at some time, but do you know that why the pizza is round in shape? And do you know that why pizza is always cut in the triangle shape? The pizza is round, but the box in which it is packed is square, so why? Modern pizza developed in Naples, when tomato was added to the focaccia in the late 18th century. The word pizza was first documented in 997 and successively in different parts of central and southern Italy. Friends, there are many reasons for pizza to being round. Actually, while making the pizza, it is made in round shape, because, by doing this, its thickness remains the same from everywhere. Another reason for pizza being round is that it can be easily divided into equal parts. Yes. Due to being round, heat is easily reached from everywhere in the pizza while cooking it. And it cooks well, so we can enjoy its taste well. The reason behind making the pizza box square is that it is very easy and very cheap to make. The pizza box is made by folding the same seat, because of which, it is easily made in less time. While the pizza box needs a separate seat to make it round, or any other shape. And doing so also takes more time. Being a square box, it can be easily stored, by placing one on top of the other. It also takes more time to make a round box, and it also occupies more space. Why we cut the pizza in triangle shape? It is easiest to cut the pizza into a triangle shape to divide it into equal parts. Due to this, everyone gets equal share. And he can enjoy his equal share. The most expensive pizza in the world costs $12,000. The first pizza place in America was Lombardi's, in New York City. Originally opened as a grocery store, Lombardi's started selling pizza in 1905. The world's largest round pizza is 131 feet in diameter. Domino's delivery drivers will log about 4 million miles on Super Bowl Sunday. Kids ages 3 to 11 prefer pizza over all other food groups for lunch and dinner. Saturday night is the most popular night to eat the pizza. If you liked the video, like it, and if you didn't like it, dislike it. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to watch such interesting videos.